Did you recently move into a new student room? Then watch today's tutorial to learn how you can decorate your student room in the most sustainable way. And these tips are perfect for small rooms with small budgets. There's no need for fancy decorations when you have plants in your room. So I would suggest create your own urban jungle inside your student room. Because there's always room for more plants. Just place them on your desk, a side table, or wherever. You can never have enough plants. It's easy to get your own plants. Just ask a friend for a cutting or come by the Radboud Green Office during one of our Adopt a Plant events. The best student plants are the spider plant and the pancake plant. They're also our favorites. Are you wondering how to keep these plants alive? Or how to make a cutting for one of your friends? Check out our previous tutorials on how to propagate the pancake plant or on how not to kill your plant. In Nijmegen, there are many thrift shops where you can buy second-hand items that are looking for a new owner. For example, I buy all my plant pots at a second-hand shop. But they have many more items and there are many shops in Nijmegen, so check them all out. Also on our campus there's a thrift shop, which is perfect to get the essentials for your student room. You can get, for example, a chair here, which is only €25, or a desk for the same price. And they even have over 1 million stickers, which are useful for whatever. So check out their website on how to get there and for a price indication. Moving your stuff from one room to another could be quite a hassle. And it could happen that you don't have a car available. But don't be sad. Luckily, there are more sustainable options available. Rent this cargo bike from Akku and move your stuff easily from one place to another. Go to the Radboud Green Office website and check out our socials to get the latest updates about our Adopt a Plant events and our other activities. And enjoy your student life in Nijmegen.